Get all the flicks that click on Channel V's movie number 1.
Hi, I'm Purab, also known as KD, who's the drummer of Magic. That's Joe Arjun. As you can see, he's the the guitar player in the band. That's Rob. He plays the keyboard. Luke Kenny, of course, and this is Farhan, the lead singer, also known as Aditya. Well, we are the rock stars of the band Magic on the film Rock On. All of us are trained musicians. We've been training for 4 or 5 months each instrument that we played in the film. And Farhan has been singing since this morning, and I don't know what he's going to do tonight on the show, Farhan.
I've got my fingers, toes and checks crossed.
And
It's been a great experience so far. Loving music, I think I speak for everyone here. Everyone has loved music, everyone has loved rock. This film was a great opportunity to go ahead and brush up on skills that we had and but never really took up that seriously. So it was a great excuse to get it going.
My earliest memory of music while I was growing up was the loris my mother used to sing for me. And I mean, I don't remember much, but I think during college days is when I really got into music. Actually, my father's very into music. He used to listen to a lot of Elvis Presley, and yeah, I used to have the record players which would blast on full volume. I think that's where I get my thing of playing music really loud. It's in my car or in my van.
I think everybody through their life at some point, I mean, has an influence of rock music in college or in school. It comes like a phase in your life, and at least for me, and I moved out from it into other genres of music, listened to a whole bunch, and then suddenly through Rock On, especially, I mean, being around Luke and Farhan, they're like household. Luke's is like an encyclopedia.
Luke is like
so it's like revisiting so many
music
areas
and
of
names and everything.
I think in fact Luke should start his own quiz show that should be about rock. And if he ever does, I have suggested it so I get a royalty.
We all end up with huge complexes sitting with Luke.
With my family, and we were all going to see Sholay in 1975. And finally we got tickets in black, 100 rupees at that point in time, and we got the first row.
He was about 17.
So I was like watching, on this big 70mm screen, all the music and the film. So, so music and film has been both simultaneously.
Because of Sholay, all this happened?
Because of Sholay, all this happened.
Wow, man.
My earliest memories of music are pretty much actually like Arjun are very related to LP records that my mum collected. Elvis again featured very prominently. She wanted me to be born on the same day as Elvis. I missed by 5 minutes. And I came on the 9th, I was born on the 9th of Jan as opposed to the 8th, which is Elvis.
Really?
Yeah, and my father kept telling her, he will never be born on the 8th. He will never be born on the 8th.
So you were 5 minutes past 12?
5 minutes past 12 on the 9th.
Shucks.
Yeah. Which explains all the beatings I took as a child from my This is the closest I've come to having a band of my own. Where first performing with the 3 of them in the film, and then subsequently now with Shankar Ehsaan Loy and his group, has been the closest I've ever come to being in anything that qualifies to be a professional band.
So I had a band way back in college then, and then yes, we did the usual gigs, the Independence Rocks and the opening for the then bands that existed like Hazard and Navni and stuff like that. And yeah, post that now is again the closest that you've come to, having a band.
I've always had a tennis racket, and I've always stood in front of the mirror and had my own concert when I've been a kid and lip sync. And I do more or less the same thing now.
I've never been part of any band.
No.
It's fancy screen.
Nobody wanted.
Nobody wanted me.
But then we
I did
adopted
try-
Purab, and he's a great drummer.
I did
No,
try
but
to play the guitar.
sorry, please.
I did try to play the guitar a little while when I was a child. I just came up to country roads and then that was it. I gave it up.
I mean, if he had to come up to country roads, it's better that he gave it up. No, but I must say in
You
Purab's
don't know what I
defense,
started with case
I must say in
Sarasara.
Purab's defense that Purab has never ever played the drums before in his life. He started playing the drums for this film, and he has progressed so well that he is now. Please tell them what you've done. Please tell them what you've done.
Well, I bought myself a drum kit. I'm playing a little bit. I can hold a few grooves.
But it was very obvious and apparent that all of us needed to train. because our director Abhishek Kapoor was very, very clear that whatever he was doing in a very realistic manner. And so we wanted to make it real. And I was introduced to a really wonderful chap called Chandresh, I think an absolute gentleman and a great, great, great guitarist. It was very important for us that this band really did look like a band. And recently, a friend of ours, I mean, who we all respect a lot, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, saw the film. And I think he gave us really the best compliment. And where he said that after seeing the film, I thought it was like a biography about a band, that this band did really exist. And I think that was truly the best compliment I think any of us could receive.
I had to be able to play, lead keyboards with one hand and bass, since हमारे band में bass guitarist नहीं है. So learning to play the bass lines and learning to play the lead lines on keyboard was a whole different zone. And the guy who trained me was a guy called Jarvis, who is absolutely fantastic at keyboards. और वो I think हमारे India के one of the best jazz keyboardists हैं.
And he like jumps around and he does his thing, and which is really cool because he gets into that whole vibe of playing a keyboard.
And then also, of course, jamming together, rehearsing the songs together in this rehearsal space that we had set up, also helped create a band vibe. Because normally what happens is as actors, which I've witnessed when I'm directing people, is they tend to meet normally just either at a reading, or for one rehearsal and then maybe on set. So a certain vibe that is required for 4 characters to seem like they belong to a band. They need to know each other really well. They need to understand each other's instincts and reflexes really well.
हम लोग ऐसे लोग हैं जो बस मजाक करते हैं और we've had a lot of fun and the music is fun.
Rock is a very powerful subculture in India. It is extremely influential at a youth level in this country. And as far as mainstream music goes, because most mainstream music in this country is considered film music, it's something that is definitely gaining momentum in terms of moving towards mainstream.
I'm glad that through Rock On, we're managing to put that subculture which Farhan spoke about into a much more global perspective, into the audiences who are into the Hindi film music. Now they will get to know what it takes to be in a rock band and the trials and tribulations that every rock musician in this country has at some point in time or the other faced.
मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल, एकाधी पढ़ी नॉवेल, एक लड़की का फोन नंबर, मेरे काम का एक पेपर, मेरे ताश से हाथ का किंग, मेरा एक चांदी का रिंग, पिछले 7 दिनों में मैंने खोया, कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं और कभी खुद पे रोया. Enjoy the album.
I'm so glad that Pune loves me so much because I really love Pune. I spent many years of my life in Pune. I was in Bishop School. Thank you guys. You guys rock.
Get all the flicks that click on Channel V's movie number 1.